Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, I'm Rob Gassman with Precision Products, and with me is Jack McIntosh, UAV Technical Specialist for Precision Capture. It's now about 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday, March 16th, and today we are giving away an exciting fixed-wing drone package. Jack, what do we got here that we're giving away?
We're giving away the Quest Data Hawk UAV valued at $7,500. We've got the UAV, spare parts kit, battery charger, 2 spare batteries, laptop with flight software, Sony QX1 20.1 megapixel camera. It's a complete package ready to fly. In addition to that, we're also providing 8 hours of training at our Louisville facility with that package.
Outstanding. So over the last couple of months, we've promoted this drawing, and we thank all of you for coming out and visiting us at the Kentucky Survey Conference in February, and then just last week at the Tennessee Survey Conference in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And we had over a couple hundred entrants, we're estimating. And now we are going to draw from all of those entries. They were all in paper forms or on business cards. So Jack, if you will do the honor, and we will see who the lucky winner of this prize package is.
Good luck, everybody. The lucky winner is Mark Sindelbach from Duke Energy.
Outstanding. Mark, congratulations. I will now ask Mr. Cameraman to come forward. I'm going to just hide Mark's personal contact information and show you from this, staying in frame, that Mr. Sindelbach is the lucky winner. So congratulations again, and we thank all of you for stopping to visit with us at the Kentucky and or the Tennessee survey shows. And want to remind you that Precision Products and Precision Capture are here to serve and support you with your geospatial needs and with your drone technology needs. Give Jack a call at 844-459-1300, toll free, or look us up online at yourprecision.com. Thanks very much. Have a safe weekend.
Thanks, everybody.